Good morning on this drizzly Saturday morning. We're off on a bit of an exploration adventure this morning to Mount Ninderry Nature Refuge in pursuit of a waterfall that we've read about. We haven't found the waterfall yet, but we've meandered along some beautiful little bush tracks. We've come across this flowing stream. It's very, very, very pretty here. Very peaceful and calm. A little bit sheltered by the canopy from the rain. Some gentle sounds of the birds, the trickling water. You can see Paul back there in the background. He's pulled out his tripod and taken some photos. The light's very beautiful here in the bush. After a scramble through the single track, over the rocks between the trees, a little bit overgrown, just a little bit of a distinct path there, we could see for a little while this very shiny, broad rock face, which is the side or one side of Mount Ninderry, and we discovered a waterfall. It's a very sheer cliff face. So we'll have a little sit here for a while, and Paul's over in the bush just behind me. There, set up his enormous tripod, taking some photos, been taking some of the water coming over the edge of the cliff face, taking some down in the little creeks where the water's flowing through. So lovely being out in nature, not so lovely about the mosquitoes, but anyway, got repellent on and hopefully they'll stay away. But anyway, we'll sit here and enjoy this for a little bit longer, soak in the atmosphere, do some forest bathing. So here's the trail, taking around, and on the way in we spied some fungi. Here it is, up here. Conditions must be perfect. Over the years I've photographed and discovered a lot of fungi. I've never taken the time though to educate myself around it. I just really enjoy seeing the fungi. Some of it is so tiny. So it's great for the mind to focus. And then just up here, there's a long log stick. A nice little surprise. And there's the track back to the little pines.
Easy.
So we found the waterfall. What did you think, Paul?
That was alright. Nice little waterfall. Easy walk.
Easy walk?
Yeah, easy walk.
Not that far.
No.
Track was a little bit
Wouldn't even be
tricky.
okay, would it?
No, I don't know. So we're going to go head to Mount Coolum Bakery now, get some croissants, maybe some apple danishes.